Hi everyone, welcome to your favorite professional learning channel, Let's Learn and Do It. I'm your friend Chitra and I am back after a very long time. Today, with this pandemic, all of us are feeling extremely stressed out because this is a situation which has created a lot of panic, lot of fear among all of us. Now we have two options with us. Option number one, either we should give up, or option number two, we should fight against this pandemic and come out of this situation beautifully. Obviously, we would like to choose option number two. So option number two is a very simple methodology through which you can fight over your stress and at the same time reduce your stress. So let's get started. The methodology which I wanted to talk about is the ACT methodology. ACT stands for abandon, change and trust. So let us see what is this ACT methodology and try and understand how will this make a difference in your life. So let's discuss the first point, that is abandon, which means to avoid. A lot of stress can be avoided by just rearranging your surrounding. Take control of your surrounding. Neat and clean surrounding can always reduce stress. Keep your surroundings clean, be it a workplace or at home. Today, in this pandemic situation wherein most of us are working from home, we find that our houses are cluttered most of the time. So this kind of environment will make you more stressed. So try and keep your place neat and clean all the time. Secondly, keep yourself away from the people who makes you feel negative or who spread the negativity. Keep distance from such people. Not only such people, avoid such messages, WhatsApp, videos, etc. I know the situation is really tough, but the only thing which will help you to come out of this situation is your positivity. So be positive and be confident. We together will fight this pandemic and we will be able to come out of this situation very soon. Now let's discuss the second piece of ACT methodology, which is change. One of the most helpful way to reduce your stress is to take stock of complete situation and change for better. Change for better is always good. Spend time with yourself. Manage your time effectively. If you feel that there are people who are demanding more of your time, tell your limits in advance. Tell them in advance that how much time will you be able to spare or spend with them. This will help you to save a lot of time for yourself. Respectfully ask people to change their behavior. Try it out and you will find a lot of your tension, stress has reduced because you have started spending time on yourself. Now we move on to the third letter for ACT methodology, which is trust. Trust is something which can help you reduce your stress. Thinking negative about yourself can be a biggest stressor for yourself. So adapt and change. Change your standards, adjust your standards, reframe the issues. There are no issues, there are no problems in this earth which does not have a solution. Some might solve quickly while others may take some more time. Adopt a mantra that yes, I can do it. Create an asset column. The moment you think about the joys of your life, you will quickly get the solution of your problem. Why? because your mind has started thinking in a positive direction. So look at the bigger picture, and I'm sure you will be able to come out of this stressful situation beautifully. So balance out your stress with this simple ACT methodology. So I'm sure you will find this video useful. If yes, do like, share and subscribe. And people who have still not subscribed, let's learn and do it. Do subscribe my channel and take a flight to your professional growth. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.